How to find who can send you direct messages on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can send you direct messages on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find direct messages, and after you find it just click on it, and as you see here you will find who can send you direct messages, and now you can change here anything you want, and just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.